And welcome back. So we again had variably cloudy skies, made our way through the day today, starting off with some sunshine, but a few more clouds made our way through later on in the day. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse in North Platte with the increase in the clouds out there, but we did stay mainly dry today, but we kept that strong northerly wind, which kept temperatures down. High temperature officially at 52 in North Platte, 53 at Lexington, mid-50s at Ogallala and Imperial, 44 at Thedford and cooler, high of only 37 up toward Valentine. Here's a look at the current temperatures at 35 in North Platte, but upper 30s, Broken Bow, Lexington, Imperial, and Ogallala, with lower to mid 30s at Hyannis, Thedford, and Valentine. So we do have that strong northerly wind, still a little breezy out there. Wind speeds in most places sustained 15 to 20 miles per hour. And here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are. We're getting wind gusts close to 30 along the I-80 corridor and then out toward Broken Bow. So prepare for that as you make your way outside. We do have one weather alert. It's for Dawson and Gosper County. Freeze warning in effect from midnight to 9 a.m. and that does stretch into the Tri-Cities and points off to the east. So it's cold enough definitely for that freeze warning, especially in our southern and eastern counties. We have a band of clear skies from North Platte out toward Hyannis, south of Lexington. A few more clouds from Valentine to Broken Bow and north, and then Ogallala and points off to the south. So we're keeping the variably cloudy skies into the evening. High pressure is well off to our south, and this low pressure system definitely has slowed down. Some snow still around in the northern plains with some showers and thunderstorms on its warm side, but all it does for us is that direct flow from the Arctic, so it keeps pumping in that cool air with the northerly wind. But as we go through late Saturday into Sunday, a warmer high pressure system does take over, and going through the weekend, that cool air is going to eventually make its way into the Midwest and then Northeast, a little bit of a dip in the jet stream. Most of the moisture in the country is going to be up and down the East Coast. Also some moisture into Texas and into the Pacific Northwest, but a little bit more of a ridge in the jet stream. We stay mainly dry, warming up slightly. We're really not getting into this really warm air, but partly cloudy skies will be the story as we make our way through the weekend. So we are going to keep mostly clear to partly cloudy skies tonight, depending on where you are. Temperatures falling back down into the mid-20s and then rebounding back to near 50 with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, still a little bit breezy with that northerly wind keeping us on the cool side. Starting off your Sunday morning just after daybreak near 24 degrees and more of the same. Mostly cloudy skies to start, mostly sunny to mostly cloudy skies, we'll say, for Sunday. But we have a little bit more of a westerly flow, maybe even a southerly wind in there with highs into the lower 60s. So we will lose this low pressure system that is giving us really cool air with that northerly wind. This high to our south tries to take over, but is going to warm us slightly, but really not going to get temperatures above average until our next system comes through for midweek next week. And this one actually could produce a good amount of rain. Let's take a look at the temperature outlook. This is to round out April and start May. Cooler than average. Average highs should get into the mid, maybe even some upper 60s out there. We look to stay below that over the next 6 to 10 days, and looks like we've got a normal trend in terms of moisture. We've been above average in terms of moisture recently, just slightly though, but it looks like we will start to dry out with drier air on our doorstep to start off the month of May. So let's take a look at the extended forecast. 52 for tomorrow, windy, breezy, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for the weekend, with Sunday's high at 62 and Monday at 64. Do have a slight chance of some showers Monday. Rain is likely on Tuesday, even a chance of some showers again Wednesday, keeping breezy conditions with temperatures near 50 and then 65 on Thursday and 58 on Friday. Thursday is mostly cloudy skies. Back to that rain chance for next Friday. Kent?
Really, our start to the weekend going to be pretty chilly tomorrow.
Yeah, cooler than average, but we could see a little more sunshine.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. The Hershey Fall Festival announced their concert lineup for the 2020